So this will be our first video, like to serve as an introductory class to hemodynamic disorders. So introduction to hemodynamic disorders. So for this, we said that we'll be defining hemodynamic disorders and basically just give an overview of what hemodynamic disorders is. So we said that what hemodynamic disorder is simply what? Let me say the force that is trying to keep this fluid inside the blood vessel is now distorted. Okay, so the force is not, how will I put it? It's not uniform again. All right, with the force that is trying to bring out fluid outside. All right, so that's a hemodynamic disorder. We said that the intact circulatory system is essential for normal function and metabolism of what organs of the body. So these hemodynamic disorders are characterized by what? Disturbances in perfusion that result in what? Cellular injury. Okay, so this include disturbances such as what? Hyperemia and congestion. All right, so congestion is more of like the outflow, the venous outflow from a blood vessel is blocked. So now blood is not flowing outside freely again. All right, then hyperemia, that means what? The blood supply to that particular organ has just suddenly be increased too much. All right, so this hemorrhage, that's bleeding. Thrombosis, that's what? uh, Inappropriate activation of the clotting pathways is also a hemodynamic disorder. Embolism, infarction, edema, and shock, all of them are what? Hemodynamic disorders, right? So we could say that disturbances in normal blood flow are major sources of what? Human morbidity and death in all societies, right? So this include what? Hemorrhage, clotting, and embolization, which represent the migration of clot to other sites. So let me say there's a blood clot here, and the clots now migrate from this site to go and block another site. Okay, that's what is known as what? Embolization. It also includes what? Extravasation of fluid into the interstitium, as in edema, and blood pressure that is either low or high. So talking about what? Hemodynamic disorders, you're just trying to look at what? There's a disturbance in the body trying to what? Regulate, or how will I put it? There's a disturbance in the body trying to regulate the how fluid is being moved from the cells to the what? Interstitium. All right, it's being disturbed. But as we go on talking about the different types of hemodynamic disorders as we continue in our lectures, you guys should get to understand it. All right, talk about edema, we talk about thrombosis, we talk about blood pressures and all that. You get to understand this better. So that's it.